Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling function. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Fedora37 security measures. Link. Installing antivirus software, CLAM antivirus, introduction of file tampering detection system, Tripwire, introduced rootkit detection system, RK Hunter, setting up SSH server public key authentication method connection, creating a server public key connection test, authenticated connection with private key. Installing antivirus software, CLAM antivirus. Install CLAM antivirus. Configure CLAM antivirus. Line 8. Add hashu to the beginning of the line to make it a comment. Update the pattern file. Run a scan to confirm operation. Download a harmless test virus. Run a scan to confirm operation. Introduction of file tampering detection system, Tripwire. Install Tripwire. Perform initial settings for Tripwire. Set the passphrase for the site key file. Set the passphrase for the local key file. Enter the site key file passphrase. Enter the site key file passphrase. Change directory to, etc., Tripwire. Make initial settings. Line 12. Change the reporting level to maximum. Generate a configuration file. Enter the site key file passphrase. Optimize your policy. If hashu is automatically inserted at the beginning of the line, created in two parts. Enter the site key file passphrase. Create a database. Enter the passphrase for your local key file. Return to directory. Run the check. Regular checks are performed daily. Check the check results. Update the database with the specified report. Enter the passphrase for your local key file. Introduced rootkit detection system, RK Hunter. Install RK Hunter. Configure RK Hunter. Set the destination and scan mode to send the report. Update the database. Update system file information. Run the check. Setting up SSH server public key authentication method connection. Creating a server public key. Start Terata.mu, log in as a user, and create a public key and private key. Press Enter. Set a passphrase. Transfer the public key to .ssh. Configure login settings. Log in as root and transfer the private key to Samba share. Save the id_etcdsa file from the Samba shortcut on the client PC to any location. SSH key, private key. Connection test. Select New Connection. Enter the IP address in host, and click OK. Enter your username and passphrase, key passphrase. Select Use RSA, DSA, ECDSA, ED 25519 key. Click Private Key, and select the saved SSH key, private key, id_etcdsa. Select Use RSA, DSA, ECDSA, ED 25519 key. Click Private Key, and select the saved SSH key, private key, id_etcdsa. Click OK to confirm the connection. Log in to root. Authenticated connection with private key. Create a backup. Edit. Line 65. Change from yes to no. Restart SSH. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.